The U0073 code means the ECM has lost communication with one or more modules on the CAN bus system. In simple terms, your car's computer network isn't talking like it should. And that's a problem because modern vehicles rely on modules constantly sharing information to run properly. The first cause could be a bad battery or low voltage condition. If your battery is weak or your alternator isn't charging right, the voltage can drop too low, causing modules to stop communicating. Sometimes the code will pop up when starting the car in cold weather or after the battery has been disconnected. The second cause could be damaged or shorted CAN wiring. The CAN bus uses two main wires, CAN high and CAN low. If one of them is broken, shorted to power or ground, or pinched against metal, the whole network can go down. These wires usually run in a twisted pair to reduce interference, and just one break can cause issues. The third cause could be a faulty module on the network. If one module like the TCM, ABS, or BCM is shorted out internally, it can stop the whole system from communicating. It's like one bad device pulling down the entire network. The fourth cause could be corrosion or loose connections. Check the main harness plugs, fuse box terminals, and grounds. Moisture or rust can interrupt the flow of data and cause the U0073 code to appear. The fifth cause could be a blown fuse to one of the modules. Sometimes it's as simple as a fuse supplying power to the control module. If the fuse is blown, the module won't power up and communication will fail. Now if you're dealing with this code and have a scanner that can read multiple modules, not just the ECM, try scanning all of them. If one of the modules isn't responding, that might be the one causing the communication issue. If you've dealt with this code before, drop a comment down below and share how you fixed it. It could help someone else out.